Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide members in WhatsApp group. So first you open your WhatsApp, then you will see the plus button, you click on it, and then you choose new group. After that you choose the members that you want to include in your group, then you click on next. After that you click on create, and now you have a group. What you are going to do next is going to customize your group. Then in the options you will see add group to community. You click on it, you name the group, then you click on get started, you name your community, and now when you go to your community, here the members cannot see the other members, only the group admin. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.